you, yes you, don't mind me anyways. We are live at the Dash Adoption and Use Conference 2019, happening live at the CIBN Learning Center, Lagos, March 1st, 2019.
My name is Franklin Peters. I'm the founder and CEO of B2B Technologies, an IT firm that deals on development and deployment of projects, blockchain projects, IT projects, name it. So, but we have a special focus on the blockchain because we know it's the next technology.
Okay, so how has B2B been able to draw adoption into Africa at large?
Okay, we focused on making our project easy to use, fast, and very easy, very simple and good user-friendly platform we have. Okay, you can easily buy Bitcoin with your ATM card, with your MasterCard, Visa card, Valve card, any of them. You can easily buy straight from your bank account. And if you don't have any of these facilities, you can buy it with bank transfer. Just with a little click, do a transfer as if you're sending money to someone. So it makes it very much easy for people to access our platform. Then you can easily trade, buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dash. We just recently listed Dash, and a couple of other coins, plus our own coin, BXC coin. Now you can also easily send it back to your local bank account. So it solves the issue that people have always had problem of trusting people. Sometimes people get scammed, trying to buy from people that they don't know. So if you come on our platform, we are sure you are secure, you are safe, and you are secure in buying any of this cryptocurrency.
From experience, it's obvious that the growth of a cryptocurrency depends on its adoption. So what are your plans to make Coin, should I say, known to Nigerians out there?
So what we have done is to have our products out there where we have the Coin Hub and the Pay. So both platforms together addresses and speaks to a number of the lifestyles of Nigerians. So you have people that are interested to buy and sell